Come on, let's see a bit of effort. No effort from me today.
Come on, I'm thinking a minute and a half on this one.
I'm thinking 3 minutes 26.
It's a slow start. I'm thinking 5 minutes.
No, you know,
Make sure you solve every crew.
you need to think of things to make you salivate.
People must have
think
heard
of
about
muscle
the event
energy.
because there's loads of people coming down.
This is not
Oh, someone's eating crackers. Let's go and see. Is that your second?
Isn't that the trick to biting all this?
No, it must be. It's that first one I did.
You might be in the national final race off. That's time.
You got to eat 10.
I'll be practicing on a daily basis.
Hourly basis.
What do you want for tea? Crackers.
Right.
Dinner? Crackers. Breakfast? Crackers.
A minute to do 3/4 of a cracker. It's going
You
well.
just swallow them, it's not chew.
He's one of these people that starts slowly but then really gets going.
I was just storing it, and it was just like
It's hard.
going down.
I'm thinking little bite swallow, no chewing. Little bite swallow, no chew. Yeah.
Right, well, we'll find out at dinner time.
When we're at the gym.
Before you go or after you get back.
I'll just stay at the gym then.
You go in the gym in a minute. I've been down here so long.
I know. Thinking that.
Best timekeeper's wandered off.
He's got bored. He's going to start cooking dinner.
I think he's safe for a few minutes.
He's obviously got a.
You know, I actually thought you were going to be a bit of a demon at this. I expected you to straight down.
I might not be bad here. This is 1 minute 50 for one cracker.
I'm not doing very well at this.
The third one's the hardest one. It does not get easier. It gets
I know,
harder.
No, but I'm used to it by then.
Is it really that hard? Like, watching it,
You'll find out.
It's a bit clumsy, it's sticking all around your mouth.
No, you do. So I expect everyone to go.
I literally can't do
I
it.
expected
It's bizarre.
you're doing less than
I expected to do better than I did. But
This
I made a
one's going
mistake.
down
The
quicker.
second two of mine were much faster than the first one. Because the first one was because it was just in all in there, and you're like, I had stuff around there, anyway. You're like, I can't get it. I can't eat it.
You looked as if you went slow, but you looked really quick when you watched Dale. Dale looks as if he was like putting him up on it.
Compared to Dale, you're like a Testarossa. Compared to him, like
I am flash.
I'm Robin Reliant.
He's got no wheels at the minute.
He's a push
Going
bike.
down quicker, man.
What?
Second one's going down quicker.
What time? Time check.
3 minutes. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, yeah, I reckon he got his time walk. Oh, sorry, we've got a video we can check.
Listen to this now.
It is on video, we can
He's a
check.
cheat. I never cheat.
YouTube here.
Another classic YouTube.
Want to go?
Come on, Kay, come on. You gotta beat Dale.
Come on,
No
Steve.
offense to you.
I think, to be honest, we've got to be proud of Steve that he finishes.
He's saving for his dinner, isn't he? Save some money this way.
Goes well after that full English at the hotel.
Damn salty sausage.
That should have greased you up.
He rubbed on his body, didn't he?
Come on, 3 bites to go.
Come on.
Right, he's safe.
Say beep, beep, beep.
He must
4
be going on
minutes.
for 20 minutes now.
10 seconds, 10 seconds, go on.
10 seconds, man. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. I'm not last. I'm not last. Hello, Rachel. You're going to be on YouTube. His phone's getting heavy. I'm not been on for nearly 5 minutes.
Sorry.
Get it all in. Come on.
Go on, throw it
It's
in.
not getting it in, it's swallowing it.
Go on.
Edit that bit out.
We'll overlay some soft lighting music for that one.
10 minutes.
Last took 2 minutes.
Dave's having a go next.
Was that last piece gone in? Though?
Steve, you made it look easy.
You did in hindsight, Steve.
Yeah, good.
Semi-professional cracker eater. Semi-professional.
When any done.
Yeah, go on.
We must know.
Go on.
Hey!